Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about this. From Bleeding Fool. Original Diablo dev calls out Blizzard's woke revisionism in Diablo 2 Resurrected. Well, it's not on course with the remasters in this day and age, let's say it. And this is definitely not the first video I'm covering this, not the second or third. Probably not even the fourth. Or probably is the fourth. But definitely it's not going to be the last one, because, trust me, there's definitely more crap coming up. Because let's face it, Blizzard is a woke company, and they need to appease the religious lunatics of the intersectionalism. Anyway, this is one of the original devs of Diablo 2. Yes, we need to change her jawline, cover her butt, and erase her femininity. It's an imperative for a good remaster of any game. Please leave our Amazon alone. K-Tex, an original Diablo dev. Yeah, I wonder what else did the people say to him. Anyway, you also thought Classic WoW would never work. I went to your offices and lobbied for it personally with your CEO. You made a ton of money and saved regular WoW too. But what do I know? Well, World of Warcraft, in case you're a normie. Anyway, I know the China market is important to you. Let's revisit a lesson we learned back in World of Warcraft days. Asian countries want feminine characters. In WoW, we had an issue with that, and the Horde. The solution? Blood Elves fixed it. This isn't just preference, it's business. And he's got a point. After all, well, first and foremost, let me go on and check it while I go and talk to you guys. Anyway, he's got a point. After all, it's, everybody likes beautiful people. Men, women, everybody likes them beautiful. I don't think I enjoy, in ugly character. Oh, good lord. Every time I visit Twitter, there is a goddamn fucking retarded trending topic. Socialism in 5 words. People describe their thoughts on socialism, a political, social, and economic philosophy in 5 words. I describe it in death, hunger, suffering. So, 5 words. There you go. Alright, let's see what they said to him. Don't mind Amazonian. I don't know if I can say that word now on YouTube, because after all, YouTube is very triggered. But just admit that's what it is. Thanks. Well, let's say, let's go on and show it to you guys, in case you're a normie and it's not familiar with the subject. God damn it. There you go. This is the Amazon. This is the remastered Amazon. As you can see, she looks a bit of a cross between Trump, a feminine Trump, slightly younger feminine Trump, with smaller boobs, censored legs. That's about it. She looks like a dude. Dude in drag. And memes have been flowing about it everywhere, and let's face it, they are kind of on point. Well, let's see, look at this. I forgot the name of the actor, but he's very popular and has done multiple actors, including the Green Goblin on the first Spider-Man. And you can see that the face kind of matches. Let's not kid ourselves. They definitely crapped on the remastered, well, Resurrected, the original character design. And obviously the developer here actually showed the original character design of Diablo 2, you know, top right. You can see how she looked, very feminine, very pretty, especially considering the limitations of technology back in those days, because that looks like a 3D model of the actual character, or one of the renders they used for the animations on the character in the game, and you can see it there. It's... and you can see how different it is. The butt completely covered. That's definitely how it works. With these people, let's... Oh, here's one other meme. Let's make this Amazon look like Julius Caesar. Well, the guy's not wrong. Let's see more replies before I dox myself. Let me switch screens and take a look. Because he's definitely on point, because after all, what are these people thinking? These people are absolutely goddamn filthy retarded. What? You thought they were going to make a pretty little lady? The barbarian model looks awful. But the guy is right. The barbarian model looks really retarded. All a bunny big natural. Have you wrong? Let's see. Remember, if you read... It's my Amazon. The guy got a point! It's my Amazon. Even looks like they're my Amazon. They basically turned her into a him. Oh, once again, that's on point. They're gonna hope they make the model modding possible. It's not gonna be easy, especially with their anti-cheat system. So, it's not gonna be possible. Gilf fetish in the dev team. Gilf. Oh, guy I like to fuck. Fetish in the dev team. Yeah, yes. They definitely do. They actually made Amazon into a man. They are definitely correct on that one too. The memes keep on coming because this definitely need to be mocked to high heaven. I mean, good lord, shit like this would make me fear from a lead game made in the West, more specifically Metroid Prime 4, being made in the West by Western developers. Yes, it's got a point too! Damn, people, you all got points in there. You all got points. Very good point. I wasn't sure if Diablo 2 remake was censorship or just a reinterpretation of some of the character classes, but well, that Amazon in the remake looks like a dude. Is that Carol Mumba's sister? That ain't no woman, it's a man. It's a man. Oh god, even Austin Powers, if they do Austin Powers 4, is going to be censored to high heavens. It's not going to be funny anymore. Either way, let's get back to the article. Anyway, Mark Kern is qualified to take Blizzard to task than most. Being a pre-Ground Zero game dev from the days when developers made games for players, not for themselves. Anatomy of Implosion. Wonder what it says. Anyway, author Adam Lane summed up Blizzard aesthetics malpractice in one picture that speaks 1,000 words. I showed it to you guys. The evidence speaks for itself. AAA game studios no longer put service to their customers first. They haven't for a long time. They serve the precepts of an inhuman cult that hates beauty, especially feminine beauty. It's true, they seem to have a certain aversion to good-looking characters as well. Maybe because they know they'll never be able to look good like them. I have no problem with that because I naturally look hot as fuck. I am the hottest YouTube ever to grace your screen. So, just so you know, that's why I have no problem in playing beautiful people, because it represents me. I am hot as fuck. Anyway, let's finish the article. Playing Diablo 2 Resurrected is tantamount to participating in a humiliation ritual. Don't give Blizzard this satisfaction. Let's see. Nicole can confirm was told regarding a project I helped conceive. We wouldn't produce content for white Christian trash. Oh yeah, I already covered that one. There was nothing white or Christian in the military sci-fi opera script we were pitching. The third was referring to our audience. Hollywood is a place filled with the worst people who somehow think they hold the moral high ground about what gets made while raping girls and molesting small children. If Hollywood were a person, you wouldn't let them sit on your couch. He's got a point. Your life would be a lot better and fuller if you stopped watching movies made by deviants and drug addicts. You'd be smarter, thinner, and richer, and your children wouldn't be destroyed. Seriously. But best-selling author Nicole offers first-hand testimony from AAA fellow travelers in Hollywood. Don't give money to people who hate you. As you know, he's absolutely right. Everybody here was right. And I'm also surprised that I did not see a single tweet against the guy himself, because usually the SJWs are absolutely goddamn triggered over it. And they absolutely will attack you for it. They hate you. They hate the air you breathe. They hate the seat you sit on. They hate your crap. They hate your bunghole. They hate your dick. They hate your titties. They hate your nose hair. They hate your ear hair. So they hate everything you touch, everything you smell, everything you eat. They hate your skin color. They hate your nose. And your balls. So, not much of a surprise they didn't attack the guy itself. Oh well. Anyway, I would say stay right here for current stuff, but it's becoming even more current-y than usual because YouTube has been ramping up censorship. I've gone and deleted over 20 or 30 videos of mine, more or less, give or take a few, on my channel because of fear of getting censored again on YouTube. So, stay right here on youtube.com/Chester. Fuck you, YouTube. Or if you prefer more spicy takes, head to beachute.com/Chester or minds.com/Chester for that exclusive content. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a very good night.